I'm so excited. I'm en route to the YouTube MadeForYou program's graduation.
Okay, so as I touched down at Yaradua Crescent, Victoria Island for the event, seeing other creators arriving, I was so excited seeing the YouTube MadeForYou branding, thinking of how far the journey has been, making it down here. Then I took some pictures. And after taking the pictures, making poses, yeah, I registered to get my tags. And after getting my tags, connected with a couple of creators who I've been interacting with and on the groups in the community, you know. Like, let's get this party started. Everybody was so excited taking pictures. So this was me on the queue, and after the queue I connected with a couple of other creators, and people were still arriving. It was fun even before we got in and got started with the party. So now this is one of my guys. Like, yeah, we just took pictures and getting ready to get started. So we're just coming into the auditorium, into the hall to get started. So I was making this 360 video shoot. Then this is me dancing. I can't dance to save my life, but I'm just excited and dancing like somebody who is drunk.
Hey, hey, hey. Come back again. Hey.
Just as the party was going on, they were sorting out the certificate, because this is the major thing that creates a memory and stamp that you completed the workshops, that you did the assignment, the challenges, and graduated. And so yeah, I was capturing memories as much as I can. I'm not really the party type, so people were dancing and having mad fun, but you know, I just stay one corner, they chill, especially for the fact that my phone decided to show me Pepe. My iPhone has never hanged or messed up before, but oh, see fine boy, okay, see this shot, see another style. I did give them YouTube MadeForYou, you know, all these tags. It was just exciting. Now my gun be that that's actually a selfie stick. See this shot. Now my phone decided not to operate, like it just froze, and I was worried. It really ruined the party for me for about an hour. And then I got my certificate and off I go to my house. Like, then I arrived home safe. Good. Hit the like button.